What is going on, everyone? Welcome in today's video on how to buy Moo Deng Token on Coinbase. So for the first step we head over to coinbase.com, and if you don't have an account yet, create one. I put a link in the description and you will get a free amount of coins when you sign up. So definitely use that and support the channel with that. For the next step, once you have created an account and logged into your account, then you will arrive at this home screen. For the first step, we will go to the search bar, and after that you type in Moo Deng. And there you see the coin. Just click on it and now you see basically the price action at the moment. If you want to buy this coin, you can simply use the simple step to buy the coins. Just tick in the amount of fiat you want to use. I want to use 1000 euros for example, and here you can see the amount of coins you will receive once you click buy this order. For now we will click review order. After this, the screen will appear, and here you can see you can save a lot of money by using Coinbase One. Basically what Coinbase One is a free subscription. I think it's about a couple of euros or dollars a month, and you can save yourself a lot of money with using the subscription because you get a discount on the trading fee. And if you do a lot of trades monthly, then you can save a lot of money by using this subscription. Don't forget to check that out. If you click on it, you can you will be redirected to this page and they will tell you everything you need to know about the subscription. So for the next step, we want to buy these coins and we will click on buy now. Once you click on buy now, you will place the order and the coins will be automatically added to your Coinbase wallet, to your assets. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one. Have a good one.